Hey Fox, what's up? I wanted to make this quick video on how to fix a horn, and it turns out that my horn is not broken. It just needs to be adjusted. So if your horn sounds something like this video is for you. If not, well, you can get out and check another video because I think what I'm gonna show will not be helpful at all. So for some of you, this might be a dumb video, but I know that for some others, this could be actually of some use. So if this happens to be your case, let me tell you, we just need to tune up your horn again. For some reason, it got off key. So let me show you. So here we have our adjusting screw. We'll just need to screw or unscrew it depending on what we need. So in my case, I just had to screw it back again. For some reason, it was getting loose. Right, so there we go. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps and catch with you later.